Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening PowerPoint and choosing the exact slide or slide master you want to change. Select View Slide Master if you need consistent backgrounds across many slides. Otherwise, pick the single slide. Next, make sure your image is sized correctly and in PNG or JPG format so it won't stretch. Once done, click Design Format Background, choose Picture or Texture Fill. You'll see an Insert button. Use it to place your prepared image, and make sure preview looks right. Once the image is in, you'll refine position and scale so content remains readable. Use Format Background controls. Adjust scale, offset X/Y, and transparency to balance contrast with text. If the picture needs a specific focal point, open Picture Tools and use Crop to shift focus, then lock Aspect Ratio to avoid distortion. If tiling appears, disable tile or set appropriate tile size. Make sure headings and important data aren't covered. Reflow text boxes if necessary, then preview in slideshow mode. You're almost done. Apply the background to all slides if consistency matters, or to the current slide only if you need variation. Save a duplicate file before broad changes so you can revert quickly. If text becomes hard to read, add a semi-opaque shape overlay behind text or lower image saturation and brightness. This preserves the photo while improving legibility. If placement shifts oddly in slideshow, check slide size and scaling settings. Finally, run through the deck to confirm every slide looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.